And Your
Your
Honor,
name?
Miss Baker at $2,980.
$2,980.
Yeah, but payment came in for 707.29 on the 21st.
Okay. All right. And I have a note here that they are waiting on documents from the landlord attorney.
All right. Patty, have you gotten any emails from Hawk with respect to Miss Baker?
We have not.
Okay. Miss Baker, do you know who your caseworker is?
Yeah,
I
her name
probably
is
have their email address and I can give it to Patty to send over.
her name is Autumn.
Got it. That's
Uh,
all you need to say.
All right. So here's what I'll do. How are you doing today?
I'm hanging in there. It was my birthday the other day.
Was it?
Yeah,
Oh, happy birthday.
thank you.
29 again.
55.
Well,
Time.
close. That's it.
Yes,
Okay.
close. Yes, sir.
All right. So what I'll do is I'll adjourn her out to the 8th, which is my next date, 2026 at 3 p.m. Now, between now and then, because you're basically at the cap of what they pay.
Yeah. And
What can you pay between now and the 8th?
um, I can pay May rent.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, that's good. So what's your May rent?
Uh,
It's
960 plus. Yeah.
915 plus a $45 month-to-month fee. Your Honor, plus the water sewer, which is metered based on usage. Miss Baker, have you gotten your water bill yet?
Not recently, no. I'll check on that though.
Please do.
Yeah.
All right.
Because
So
your
what I'll
water bill
do,
is a bit higher than
Okay.
it was
so
previously.
you'll pay May rent plus your utilities by the,
Uh,
you can pay that before, say by May 7th?
yes.
Okay, pay that by the 7th. We'll see you on the 8th. Hopefully we'll have news then from Hawk and get you caught up.
Yeah. So what Autumn told me was that they are, and this may have been from early, like one of the cases earlier with the funding, is they are getting more funding in next week.
Yes,
Yes. And so
that is what I've heard.
yeah, and so I like that once that funding comes through, the Autumn will make me a priority to get that.
Right, they
Yeah.
kind of let us know, but
Okay.
person here
Yeah.
don't really know for sure.
Yeah, because
Funding's coming in May 1st.
right.
And that people are really being put in there. And so those that we can get past that point will be in a better boat. So that's what I'm doing here.
Yeah, fantastic. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Title Farms versus Michael Moore. Name?
Michael Moore.
All right. And how much is owing?
1793.52.
He's on the sheet. Oh. Yes, he is. And they are awaiting requested documents from your office. They say here, Miss Dornbush.
Mr. Moore, who's your caseworker? Do you know?
Autumn.
Autumn.
Also, Patty, if you could likewise
Spoke with
send.
yesterday, and she
They-
just said that she's waiting to hear back.
Okay. Patty, if you
All right.
could likewise send Mr. Moore's lease ledger and W-9 to Autumn for Mr. Moore.
Okay. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to adjourn you out to May 8th, 2026. What's that? 3 p.m. in person. Try to make sure if you communicate with Autumn that that they're operating on the correct figure, because you're going to have May rent click in.
Okay.
And so see if what they could do is, I don't know if they can wrap it in, because as I said to the last person, we're all kind of waiting to that May 1st date.
Yeah, I think we had talked about that in the first meeting, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hey.
May 8th at 3.
Yes, sir. Sile Farms versus Ashley Sayers. Hello.
Hi.
Your name?
Stephanie Vogel.
Cool. All right, where are we? What's the current balance?
Oh, Your Honor, $1,585.79. There was a payment of $350 from yesterday.
Right, and that's what they
Yeah.
told me. All right. Go ahead. How would you get the rest done?
We already told you guys, we had to wait till the 1st.
Hold on.
I'm angry. I'm angry with their attorneys.
Okay, but I don't know why you gotta yell at me. I'm just asking. Whatever happened there, I don't know.
It's like they're
Well, Your
just
Honor,
out
I
to
can
get
tell
me.
you what happened. Miss Vogel emailed me asking what would happen if she had to leave to go pick up her kids. And I told her that I would have to ask for a default judgment if she wasn't present when the court called her case. And she then responded and told me that I am ignorant and accused me of
No,
having
I
it
said
out
that
for her
this is
family.
ignorant.
No, you said
Maybe repeat it properly. I can show them the
that is
message.
so ignorant.
It
And
is.
then
I
you
have
accused
children to
me of
pick up.
having
I've
it
been
out for
sitting here
your
for 2
family.
hours. And literally I did everything you guys asked me to do.
Ma'am, that is entirely my fault. I will take the blame for that. Had my staff known, you wouldn't have to deal with Miss Dornbush. You could have dealt with my staff. But having said that, and there are other things, sometimes I like to set these dockets. I try to get them going on time, but there are other things that I have to take care of.
And I can understand that respect.
So if you had just let my staff know, I would have tried to do the same thing that I did.
I'm just trying to understand why we're here today. Because I did what best.
Hold on.
Have just turned it over as a continuance for the 1st because we had already agreed that on the 1st, I'll call Hawk back, I'll do the MAP program, we'll get the funding, go from there.
But, okay, so let me explain why you're here today.
Mhm.
Because we have to make sure that the payments in the interim come in. I said, don't give me that, ma'am. I'm gonna tell you what. Miss Dornbush may want to take your attitude. I do not take anybody's attitude. I'll just issue a judgment now, and that's not going to be to your benefit. I don't want to do that.
Mhm.
Am I understood? I'm just trying to explain to you that.
Yep.
You will never disrespect me.
And
might as well get
ask me if I
judgment.
understand.
That is by default. Or no tribal issue. After a hearing, I'll issue a judgment for the 1585.79.
Needs to be paid by when?
Writ date 10 days. She's got to pay that by May 4th. Thank you. Thank you. Your attitude.
Where do I find it?
Attitude elsewhere.
Where do I get
You
this?
better take it out of here right now, or you're going to go back there. Take it out of here.
Hello.
Hello. All right. What's the balance on her case?
Your Honor,
I'm not really sure.
Oh, hold on. Go ahead, Mr. Dornbush.
it's $1,483.30. And Your Honor, just so the court is aware and Ms. Berenger is aware, after court last week, I did some skip tracing. I was able to locate Rex. I spoke with Rex. I have an address for Rex. He's willing to sign documentation necessary to try and get his name off of this paperwork so Ms. Berenger can get everything transferred into her name. And so that is in process. And I know at the last court date, Your Honor had encouraged Ms. Berenger to contact Hawk for some assistance.
Yes.
Actually, Your Honor, Patty is just letting I'm so sorry, Your Honor.
That's where
My apologies, Your Honor. I'll let Your Honor know what that's about here in a moment. Patty's letting me know that Ms. Berenger paid $1,283.30 yesterday.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So that's not on the ledger that I have, so bear with me, Your Honor. That leaves about
Sure.
$200 due and owing, I think.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes, I need your name.
Ben Litton.
Yes.
for seniors. She has gotten funding about 1,400 from a faith in action worker. It's not me, so I can't verify it, but I talked with the worker. 1,400 is on its way.
So another 1,400 is on its way.
Did you pay 12? Is that what you said?
No, I have not paid
Yeah, okay, so
anything.
that's part of it, I'm assuming.
That's part of that.
That
Yeah.
financial assistance that she received. And then a 200 should also be coming
Got it.
from a organization. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So they're cobbling,
Yeah,
well, not cobbling, but they're,
exactly. And I'll have the coordinators reach out to the landlords and tell them, let the attorneys know and try to see if we can the communication there.
okay. So what I am likely to do, given that information, particularly if we know where the 200 is coming from, if they could let council know or
Absolutely.
the complex know.
Yeah.
Great. So here's what I'm gonna do, Ms. Berenger. I'm gonna adjourn this case out, given the payment and everything, to May 8th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Okay?
Okay,
It's likely you won't have to come back. If they, not that I don't want to see you, okay? But it's likely if they get that payment in, they're gonna dismiss this one,
okay,
okay?
yeah, that's great.
Or at least even get confirmation that the other 200 is coming. They may just dismiss the case out and then you're all set. It sounds like they've also contacted Rex so that if we run into this again, you'll be able to do this without having to worry about trying to find him to do whatever.
Will I be able to get reimbursed for all the money that I paid when they wouldn't let me sign the lease?
Well, they wouldn't let you sign the lease because,
Because Rex didn't sign off on it. But I
Right.
couldn't find him.
right, you couldn't find him, but I wouldn't reimburse you from them, from the complex, because they did something extraordinary and reached out to try to make it sure in the future you don't have a problem. So they were doing something to try to benefit you at this time.
Okay,
Okay?
that'll work.
If we could do one, so by May, then hope the month to month fee is gone, right? Then hopefully, or
Probably will
not.
not be that fast, Your Honor, no. Both Mr. Berenger, Ms. Berenger both have to sign off on this documentation. There's a whole process for doing it. And so I will, myself or Patty will be in touch with Ms. Berenger regarding that process. But I can guarantee it will not be off for May.
why we're here, like, is there any clarity that they can offer why he has to come and sign something when he's been gone for something
He's got to sign off on the lease.
that he doesn't live at? Okay.
Yeah.
So I would have to keep paying them month to month if he doesn't show up.
Even though he hasn't lived there for 7 years.
Yeah. I mean,
Not right.
They've asked her to sign in his place before.
His on the divorce decree. He got the vehicle, I got the mobile home. That's what happened. So I guess I'm talking to the wall.
no, you're not talking to a wall. I'm hearing everything you're saying.
Yeah,
I can only tell you they reached out. They're trying to help you. The complex is trying to help you out. They have their process for how it occurs. I understand legally why they're doing it that way.
well, I
And so they're doing it that way. And I, quite frankly, am appreciative that they did that because they didn't have to do it to try to get you into a point where you don't have that fee. But it's just not going to happen.
okay.
Okay.
I
And Your
guess
Honor,
I
my
got to-
apologies. I missed the name of the young lady that's there with Miss Berenger.
Yes. So did my staff. Your last name?
Like kitten, but with an L.
See, I told you. All right.
Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, folks. Thank you, man. Harbor Woods versus Alicia Franklin, recall.